All right, guys. Well, we're at this job. We've done this a few times before. I'm gonna film as much as I can. I'm not used to doing this. Usually I set the camera up on the toolbox of the truck. Anyway, so I'm using the whole new setup on this camera. You guys have seen one video on this camera before. This is the GoPro Hero Black 11 Mini, and I'm using the GoPro Volta little battery selfie stick remote thing. So yeah, let's get to it. We've got the big mower out here today, the Cub Cadet. I don't know, ZX1 I think it is, 46. I don't remember. It's been a while, but I brought this today because I have multiple properties to cut, large properties like this one, and I want to get it done as quick as possible. Usually we use the R1000 with the 30-inch deck, but I'll show you. So we got all this. Sorry about the bird poo on the window. And then we've got all of that over there. So let's get right to it. All right, just want to get the Hero 9 set up on the Ego commercial trimmer real quick. Got a little bit of trimming to do, mostly mowing. Can't see anything with the sun in my face. All right, off to the races. It's funny how this Hero 9 used to be like my go-to, my expensive camera. And now that I've got the 11 and the Mini and everything, now I use this one as a beater camera. Alright, I just finished this side. It took about an hour. Well, it took an hour to edge everything and cut that side, so now we move over to this side. clean up here, down the road.